English is a must, but German is a plus. Highest career scope options in German language. Learn German, yes, you should. Willing to get jobs. You're facing problem in jobs, facing problem to find out, then yes, we are having a YouTube channel named German Gyan and page on LinkedIn which is German Gyan. You can follow for more jobs. CV enhancement by German language course, it's 100% correct. Planning to travel to Germany, then Plan Traveling is there for you. Just book your tickets with coupon code German Gyan and you will get an extra discount. You're watching German Gyan. My name is Nidhi Jain, and guys, today I'm again here for you with an amazing video. I think so this video I have already made and you guys have shown me ultimate result. Like on that particular video, I think so I'm having 13,000 plus views, so thank you so much first of all. And guys, this video you can say that is a part 2 of that video. That video I have made 1 year back, so this will be 2021 to 22 most demanding German language career options for you. This video is specifically for you. You're gonna love it. If you are entering in this field in German language, or you have done A2, A1 or B1 or B2, you want that what should I do, what should I explore, you want to do something new, you just want to like do something miracle and different, then yes, this video is you. So basically this video will be of 2 things. Why German language? Because this is a biggest question mark for all of you, and the most important, most demanding 2021 to 2022 German language options, career options. So are you ready for this video? Because I am super exciting when I was creating a content, because as a YouTuber, as a education industry person, as an entrepreneur, as a German Gyan owner, everything I have to prepare. Like I cannot shoot anything very randomly. I have to plan the things and then only I can do. Like I have one more channel which is It's Nidhi Here. So if you don't follow, then please just subscribe right now. In fact, you can follow me on my Instagram also, that is It's Nidhi Here _. So on that I can create anything random. My daily vlogs are there, any random video. But this channel is specifically for the educations. For education I have to think a lot of things. I have to explore so many things. I have to gather all my experience and put it for you. So yeah, this video is just for you. If you are new on my channel, then guys please do subscribe right now, because this video, because of your love, I am making a lot of content. I am doing a lot of hard work, so please just subscribe it, because I think 75% who are watching this video, watching my videos, are not subscribing. Please do subscribe this video, like it, share it, so that people, the student, the parents who actually want to know regarding this, they should get this video. Okay, let's get started with the video. So the first question which I have told you is, why German language? So are you ready for the answer? Okay, let's get started. The first thing, why German language? German language is a widely spoken language in our world. Like in the Europe part, it's a most widely speaking language, so it's a must for you. It will be enhancing your CV to the next level, because everyone don't know the foreign language. Like there is one company, I'm just giving you the example. There is one company, in that we are having suppose 200 employees. So that 200 employees, and in that 200 employee, if you are the person who know the foreign language, so you are a great asset for them. So you are the next level priority for the company. They all are same, but you are different. So this is how CV enhancement is there. When you learn a foreign language, and German language is having a huge demand. Suppose if German project comes to that company, then they will be opting that, okay, we are having a foreign language learner, so why not? You will be getting opportunity, you will be having appraisal, you will be in a priority of them. So that's how German language is important. You will be having a lot of more opportunity. You don't have the opportunity in a like, okay, this is the area you have to work here. No, you will be having a lot of opportunity to work, to study, to grab new things in all the German speaking countries, so it will be a benefit for you. German language is the language of literature, you can say art and the music. In India, German language scope is increasing like this. The huge growth graph you can see in India. I think so from last 2 years India has been having a great success with German language field. So yes, in fact it's a must for you. Reason, like I am telling you the reason very frankly, very clearly with my own experience in lockdown. If you have experience, you have seen in during the COVID times, most of the people, like you can say 50% employees are got unemployed. 50% staff, they have said that okay, we don't need, so they have got unemployed. But in case in that 50% employee, if you are the person, you know the German language, then yes, in the whole lockdown German language hiring was on and still it is on. If German language is having such high hiring growth, is having a huge salary packages, amazing thing, then why not German? You must learn German. German will make your career to next level. All the good MNCs are having German language vacancies, very good government jobs we are having, army jobs we are having, a lot of things are there, so that we'll be discussing after that. So let's come to the last but not the least point is, if you know the German language, then you will be helping to grow the relation between Germany and India, so that will be a great opportunity for you all. So that was the main reason you should learn German. So I hope now you will be learning German. If you are not, because this will help you so much and you will rock in your life. That's my promise to you. I am also a girl, I am also a student, I am also a daughter like you are, or a son you are. So just grow and kill it. You are there to rock, that's it. So just rock on, motivate yourself and you will do it. German language is not at all tough. It's a myth. Please guys, it's a very big myth. If you will be giving your 100%, you will be getting 100% result. That's my promise to you. So please just learn German, because I always say English is must but German is a plus. So why not to learn German language with German Gyan? German Gyan is there to teach you all the German levels, A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2. Plus we give all the free study material, practice material, free exam preparation of the whole course. In fact, after B1, we'll be giving you free interview preparations for the company, all the counseling, everything we'll be providing you. Online live session classes. In fact, if you want some recording, we will also provide you that. In fact, we are open from 6 AM to 12 at night. So anyone who is doing a job and anything, customized courses are available. So what are you waiting for? Just join German Gyan and kill it guys, because you are just for that. So guys, let's get into the main topic. The main topic is 12 most demanding jobs in 2021 to 2022. So are you excited? Let's get into the video. Job, as you all know, the most famous job for German field is German trainer, German teacher. Now in that you will be having a lot of opportunities in this particular: school teacher, college lecturer. In fact, you can open your own private school, coaching, or just a home tuition you can take. School teachers are having a great opportunity. You can become a freelancer teacher if you do any other job. So there are huge opportunity in very small German teaching or German trainer. Second one, translator and interpreter. Now this is having a huge demand in big companies, big MNCs. I'm not gonna take any company name because that is not allowed to me as a YouTuber, but I'm telling you very frankly, not just for the marketing purpose or just to make this video, I'm genuinely telling you, you will be getting a huge opportunity for the jobs. Very good packages are there. Go for it. If you want to do, then go for it. Okay, I forgot to tell you, for German trainer, the German level which is required is minimum B1. If you are pursuing C1, that will be perfect if you are applying in a school or a college. Fine. Now the next was translator and interpreter. For that, minimum level is B1. If you are pursuing B2, then it will be a good option for you. Now let's come to the part 3. Okay, the most demanding job is engineers. So engineering, if you are doing engineer, if you want to become engineer, then in India as well as in Germany, we are having a huge engineer demand in all the engineer field. So if you are looking for that, I must request you, suppose your salary is 1 lakh, so it will be like double just because of one language. So why not to learn German? German will not take much time, or it is very tough. German will minimum take you 5 to 6 months. If you want the fast track batch, it may happen in 4 to 5 months also, and we as a German Gyan is there for you. Fine. So let's come to option number 4. Option number 4 is tourism industry. Now in tourism, we will be having a lot of opportunities. Guide, if somebody is coming to Germany or any company tour is there, maybe the company will hire you and you will guide them there. So there are a huge opportunity. As a freelancer, you can also work for this. So yes, tourism industry is having a huge German language demand. Let's come to the option number 5. So next is hospitality industry. Now this is also having a huge demand. For tourism, you need minimum B1 or B2 level. If for hospitality, you need minimum B1 level, and you are perfect to go to option number 6. And the 6th option is aeroflight industry. Oh my god, this, I think so I'm talking second time with you. I have disclosed this in a Q&A session, a live Q&A session, which let me tell you guys, on all Tuesday I come live and talk to you at 9 PM. So if you want, and if you have any query, anything related to German studies, visa, college, jobs, anything, just be there on every Tuesday at 9 PM and I will be there for you. Aeroflight sector is an amazing option. Just go for it, and it's like, it's not having a very much crowd over this. It's a very new line, you can say. Not very much people are aware of it, so you can grab it and rock it. Minimum level requirement is B1. Let's come to the option number 7, and the 7th option is research analyst. Research analyst is a huge responsibility for anyone. Good companies are taking this hiring for this. So if you are looking forward for the very good opportunity and a very unique opportunity, then why not a research analyst? You will be working for, like, it will be a very interesting for you to work also, and it will be amazing. So if you are looking for this, and if you are capable enough to do this, as I know you all are capable, because you all are the shining stars of India, so yes, you can do it. The minimum requirement for this is B1 level. Let's come to the option number 8. Now 8th option is media industry. Oh my god, the media industry is damn freaking amazing. I'm telling you very frankly, if you are doing just mass comm and German, with these 2 courses, you are perfect to go. In fact, in Germany also, mass comm is in huge demand, and in India also, with German language I'm talking about, is in huge demand. So I think so you must go and kill it, because you are born to do it, guys. So please do it. And you are a German Gyan subscribers, you are my GG family, and I know you all are super duper talented. So that's why I'm coming here to tell you what is in a demand, what people are asking with German language, where you can put all your power and just rock it. So let's get the minimum German language is required in media industry is B2. So the next option, which is 9th, is journalism. Same, this is also you can say journalism is a part of mass comm. So same thing, if you want to do a journalism, then minimum requirement is B1, and you can rock in this, because it's a very new thing in German language which have come up. So just do it and rock it. 10th one, guys, next is 10th, and next one is super duper interesting. Like, in this field we are having a huge money, huge salary packages you will be getting. The job is public relations. Now public relation, if you know, public relation is a very amazing job. Of course you have to work little harder, you have to work little more, because it's a need of that, but it will be a super interesting job for you. So please go for public relation. Minimum level requirement is B1. Guys, 11th. Now 11th opportunity which you are having is advertising manager. Now in advertisement, you are having a huge opportunity in German. Like, I haven't talked about this earlier, but right now I'm telling you, it's a big demand in this year. This year especially, you will find a huge demand in advertisement companies, in advertisement manager, you can say senior manager, analyst, such like advertisement jobs you will be getting, and the packages are really cool. In fact, if you are a fresher also, then you can apply it here. The minimum level is B1. The next, which is 12th. Now 12th opportunity, last but not the least, is information technology. Now this is related to computer. If you know how to work with computer, the very basic skills, if you know that, and if you are good in German language speaking, writing, especially typing and speaking, then in this field you're gonna rock it. So if you are looking for this, then yes, you are the perfect person, and just grab it, because it's also a very new thing which is there in India. So these all have told you basically for India. In Germany also you will find most of them, but this is specifically for India. I hope this video will help you to decide that what exactly you can do in your career, because this is just a heading. In this, internally, if you see, there are so many opportunities which you can grab, and you just rock it. Because guys, see, we need just a motivation, and when we are having some knowledge, and when you have that confidence, I'm not talking about overconfidence. If you're having that confidence, then it's a blessing for you, because you wanna rock in that, and everybody will be doing just like this. I hope you got my point. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. If you are looking forward to enroll with German Gyan for German language classes, then German Gyan is there for you, open from 6 AM to 12 at night, all 7 days. So yeah, the number, you can WhatsApp me over 9643430783, or you can mail me over germangyan04@gmail.com. For further knowledge, you can comment down below if you want any video, any question, anything. And if you want to meet me live, then every Tuesday at 9 PM I come live over YouTube channel. You can follow me on German Gyan 1 on Instagram. Thank you so much for joining. And guys, if you are looking for job, then yes, LinkedIn German Gyan page link you can find in description. That is the best place. I put all the updates for jobs in India as well as in Germany, so you can grab it from there. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please keep showing your love and keep learning German with German Gyan. Cheers!